Going?
Yep.
Okay, so we are assembling the top back side. So this is the plate, all three motors sitting here and here and here. And the first thing you need to do, you take one of these guys, so it's a plastic. It's an insulation, heat insulation for the that insulates the motors from the heated chamber, because this plate can get hot. And then all you have to do, you have to make sure this guy is aligned with this. So I just align it. And then you take the motors, you have three motors, X, Y and Z, with three wire lengths. So this is the longest wire. It's going to sit here. So if I take this metal and put it like this on this side, notice the two grooves here. I have the longest wire sitting here and facing this way. Then I have two other motors. One has a wire that is 1 inch longer. So if I put these two together, pull them apart, this motor has a longer wire, that's the Z axis. It sits here with the wire facing this way, and this guy sits here with the wire facing this way. Then you take M310s. It could be socket heads or it could be socket button, and the motor sits here. Flip it, and screw the M3 pins. And what you need is an M3 socket driver. Okay, this should do. Alright, one of these guys. What I usually do, I put a magnet by the side of the socket, so when I put the screw in, it just sticks to it. So it makes it easier. And then here's the difficult part. So this guy sits in, then it goes in, and then it gets clogged. Now there's a trick here, because, I don't know if you could get a closing view, because there's a little bit, it's sticking out a little bit. If you tighten it too much, it's going to tilt this way. So you kind of have to adjust the how much you go in, so that the head sits flat on the plastic side and pushes it down. So right now I have a little bit angle. This is not good. I went in for too much. So after a while, you get the feeling that what would be the good size to go in. So you put the second guy in. And put the third guy in. Alright. And adjust the tension. Make sure that it sits flat, or almost flat. It can't be always perfect, but we should be able to get it right. This way. I also notice it's best if you first adjust the diagonal screws and then tighten this one in the end. Okay, so the first one done, as you can see, or you should be able to see, it's sitting almost flat to the side, and that's what we care for. Okay, then goes the second one. Turn it and put it in. So this time I start with the diagonal screws. This one goes in, one goes in. And sometimes the bit gets stuck in the screw. The easiest way to get it out is to give it a little vibrating motion. It's like you turn it inside and it gets out. And in order to make sure that this plastic sits flat, because if you do this one and this one first, it may pinch up. So you start with the center and then move toward the others. And okay, again I'm doing the diagonal ones first. Now for the last screw, we would also need to put a little support that will hold the panel. So for this hole, I have to use a panel mount, and it sits right here, like this. Because the panel mount adds the lens, I have to use a M312. So it goes in, drops in there, and okay, once this is done, take it out, make sure that all of them are laying flat, and test it with moving it. So for example, this one is a little loose. Now the loose ones, you could use the normal Allen key to have more flexibility. Turn it a little, turn it a little, and turn it a little. All the time make sure that you're going, make sure that the head sits flat. But then again, the best way to do it is to do the diagonal screws first, tighten them, and then it will sit flat if it's balanced. And then the third one, you can't tighten it too much, but the right amount of tension will make sure that it stays there. And lastly, make sure that this is almost sitting down. Alright, so I've done this, and I've done this as well. I just do a little bit. That's pretty good. And once this is done, you're done. Just leave it here. Move to the next one. Thank you.